You should probably sell all of your XRP. It is over with. The market is done. We are in a bear market. It's time to pack your bags. That is honestly what the whales and market makers want you to feel about your XRP bags and your crypto bags. Right now, the market, if you take a look at XRP, it just looks dead, like nothing is about to happen. But every single time XRP looks exactly like this very same fractal, we get all-time highs, we get massive moves shortly after. Look, the last time this happened with XRP, we're at this very same level. You can see by the red line here. This is where we are at now. XRP pumped to nearly $4. The same exact scenario, and it happened very quickly. And guess what? When XRP was at 50 cents, the same thing. It looked absolutely dead. And then we started to rip up and do some crazy things. And this happened just about a year ago, last December. XRP was going absolutely parabolic. And I think we are in a very same and similar situation with so many things taking place. We have to talk about it in this video. So make sure we're not selling your XRP, but that you give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this video. Look at Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen. We've been talking about the crypto market and Bitcoin for quite some time. And the bottom is in. It looks like the bottom is in, and Bitcoin continues to creep up in every single pullback. We had a pullback yesterday. Bitcoin ripped all the way back up today. We are at resistance. We are super close. If Bitcoin can break this key level here around $94,000, we can hold above this level. This resistance will be broken. And a lot of very smart people, institutional whales, are going to be buying when they see this resistance actually flipped as support. So we are super close. Look at Ethereum bouncing up, recovering as well. The market is looking good. The market is looking good. XRP bouncing a bit today. Look at this. XRP continues to bounce off this same exact level. 1, 2, 3. 3 bounces on this very level. And if we actually zoom all the way out, we could see this very same level was the very same level that XRP has bounced off of at least 20 times. Look at this white line. Look at how many times. We could literally spend here all day counting the amount of times XRP has made huge bounces and moves from this very same level. I'm confident that this is going to continue to repeat itself. The reason why XRP continues to bounce at $2 is because institutions, very smart people, they continue to accumulate at these levels. Yes, they do sell at these peaks. They're selling at these higher levels, $3.50, $3, but they are also buying back at $2. This is the level that everyone thinks XRP is at a good value. That's why it continues to bounce here very, very strong. And XRP will just not hold below this level for any significant amount of time, instantly, always ripping back up from this level. So the stock market at all-time highs. Again, this is the true indicator of whether we are in a bull market, a bear market. The stock market is continuing to push up higher. The NASDAQ continuing to push up higher. The dollar is continuing to crash. And on top of it, if you take a look at gold and silver, they're continuing to skyrocket. When gold and silver are skyrocketing and the dollar is collapsing, not only the dollar, but other currencies around the world, this takes place because people want something safe to park their money into. And guess what? It's also, other than gold and silver, an incredible thing to park your money into: XRP and crypto. Not financial advice. But congratulations if you are in my VIP community. We took some longs on Bitcoin and Ethereum at the very bottom this morning, and we are up in massive profits. You guys can try my VIP tier today for free. Here's another very interesting thing, ladies and gentlemen. Tomorrow is going to be the beginning of $40 billion injection into the stock and crypto markets by the Fed purchasing T-bills. They're going to be injecting $40 billion in the next 30 days. And in the next 30 days, they're going to be announcing how much more they're going to be buying then. This is a part of quantitative easing. This is very, very bullish, ladies and gentlemen. You need to be prepared for what's next. More rate cuts. The Fed is injecting liquidity into the economy. All this bullish crypto regulation. Cryptos have just crashed massively. They're at support. I mean, everything is screaming, this is probably the time to buy. Of course, not financial advice. Make sure you guys are using my AlgoSniper trading indicator. You guys can try this today for free. If you guys watch the video, if you guys watch the tutorials and the instructions on how to use it, it's gonna help you to understand when it's best to sell your bags before they crash so you can rebuy at a dip. Also, if you guys are gonna be trading cryptocurrencies, make sure you are trading over on Blofin, where we can see this particular long in Bitcoin that I put in my group is up nearly $4,000. Blofin is the best trading platform in the world because it has the cheapest fees, but you can only unlock the cheapest fees if you use my link below. And you will also qualify for a $10,000 deposit bonus. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.